Hey guys, this is Misty 2001,
And this is FC7.
and today we're going to make taco egg rolls in the air fryer. The ingredients you'll need are egg roll wrappers, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of water, seasoned ground beef, and shredded cheese.
So how much ground beef do you think we'll use?
I used about 1.5 pounds. So there's your cheese. We decided to go with Taco Bell's new cheese.
A little bit spicier than regular
A
shredded
little
cheese?
bit. So then you're going to need a bowl for the egg and your tablespoon of water. And I will show you why. So then you're going to want to crack your egg in the bowl. And that will actually be your egg wash to seal the edges. So then you add a tablespoon of water. Shot off screen.
Yep. So you added the water.
And then you're going to want to make sure you beat your egg lightly. I don't exactly know what it means to beat your egg lightly. Just beat it and make it look like that. So then you're going to want to take your egg roll wrapper, if I can get one of them instead of all 5. Take your egg roll wrapper and make it into like a diamond shape. So a point is pointed toward you.
Oh, so that's why you did that.
Yep.
I thought it was just crooked. I didn't know you made it.
No, you
okay.
do that. You do that on purpose to help you roll it.
Oh.
So then you add your cheese on top, and then I normally do all 4 sides with the egg wash. It helps it stick better.
So we're actually going to show 2 ways to do this.
Yep.
The other is using the brush.
Yep. The other's using a pastry brush. I do normally do it this way, but then I found as I used the pastry brush, it was easier. So then you bring your ends in, the ends on the sides, corners, ends, same thing. And then you roll it until it all seals. Adding additional egg wash to the sides and make sure those are tucked in as well. Because as you can see, there's your sides are kind of out, so you're going to want to make sure those are tucked in as well.
Okay.
So this is the other way that we did it. Of course, you add your seasoned ground beef, like we did in the first clip. And then you add your cheese. That is really good cheese.
Is it? I haven't tried it yet.
Yeah, it's really good. And then this is the second way to do it. I found using the pastry brush a lot easier. It's a lot less messy too. But then the concept is still the same. You're still going to want to do all 4 sides to make it so it actually sticks.
Okay, so then
And
fold
then-
it like you did last time.
Yep, again, you're going to want to bring the side 2 corners in, bring the bottom corner up, and then roll it like you did the last time, ensuring that all sides are sealed. Yep, see, this is what I meant by make sure the sides of it are sealed as well.
Yeah.
So then you preheat your air fryer to 390, add your egg rolls. In our basket, I could only get about 4. So, but I suppose, you could move them around like I did and possibly get 6 in ours.
Yeah. Then we'll just make some space there.
Yeah. And then, like I said, you preheat your air fryer to 390 for 8 minutes. And then 8 minutes later, you flip them. If they look good and you don't feel you need to cook the underside, which is what we found, you don't have to do the additional 4 minutes. That's just what the recipe recommended.
But we found we didn't need that.
Yeah. So then there's your finished product. Feel free to pair it with guacamole, sour cream, or pico de gallo, or anything that you would like.
Looks delicious.
Yeah, it was really good.
Any final thoughts before we close out the video?
It was really good and really easy to make.
Yeah.
I think this would be another kid-friendly recipe.
Okay. So that should just about do it for this video.
If you would like to, feel free to like and subscribe, and have an awesome day.